Good morning, dear students. Today I'll teach you chapter 2 of main course book. The name of the chapter is After 20 Years. It is written by O. Henry. Actually, it was not his original name. O. Henry was not his original name. His original name was William Sidney Porter, and he was famous for his short stories. Okay, so yesterday I posted two videos on group for the reference. I hope you all are aware of this story. Now I am going to explain the story line by line. The policeman on the beat twirled his club as he walked along the street with a stalwart from the slight swagger. As I you already are aware that the story is about two persons, two characters. Who were the two characters? Jimmy and Bob. Okay, and Jimmy Wells and Bob, and one was policeman and the second was a criminal. So here the policeman on the beat, the policeman who was on a beat duty, he was just taking ground. Means the policeman was stalwart. You can see here, strong. Okay, and swagger means to walk confidently. Means the policeman was very strong and he was walking very confidently and he was taking round. He often stopped to check if the doors were properly locked, as he kept a watchful eye on the peaceful road. So he often stopped to check. Means while he was taking round, often he stopped and he started checking what he was what checking he was doing there. He was checking whether the doors were properly locked or not. It means he was keeping a watchful eye on each and every house there, because it was his responsibility to make peaceful atmosphere. Okay, there were few people on the road, though it was barely 10 o'clock at night. It was not too late, it was 10 o'clock only. Then also very few people were on the road. Means mostly the people were inside the houses. The area was one that kept early hours, though now and then you might see the lights of a store. Most of the doors were closed. Means it is said here that this was the area which was one that kept early hours, means close early hours, and very few shops and stores you could see where the lights were on, otherwise the area was off. Midway of a block, the policeman suddenly slowed down. Means when he reached at the midway of the block where he was taking round, when he reached at the midway of the block, he suddenly slowed down himself. Means he observed something. What he observed, let's see. He was a man leaning against the doorway of a darkened hardware store. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke up quickly. And there was a man standing. That's why he slowed down. He observed that there was a man standing near a hardware store, and he was just leaning against the doorway. He was just trying to hide himself at the doorway of the darkened hardware store. The hardware store was dark because lights were off. That's why there was no light, and means the policeman could not see him clearly. When the policeman walked towards the person, walked towards the man who was trying to leaning himself, then the man spoke up quickly. Then he said, "It's all right, officer," he said. "I am just waiting for a friend." Let me keep something here. Okay. So it's all right, officer. He said, "I am just waiting for a friend. It's an appointment made 20 years ago. Sounds a little funny to you, doesn't it? Well, I'll explain if you would like me to. 20 years ago, there used to be a restaurant where this store stands now. Big Joe Brandy's restaurant. And the man who was standing there, now he started explaining the policeman that why he was standing there. He said, "It's all right, officer, I am just waiting for a friend." He informed to the policeman that I am here because I am waiting for my friend. And he said that I promised to my friend 20 years ago that we will meet at the same place. And after that he himself started saying to the policeman, it is sounding little bit funny to you. Means 20 years ago there was a promise, means they made a promise, and now he is here after 20 years to keep his promise. So it is sounding little bit funny, he asked to the policeman. And after that he said, okay, I'll explain. If you will give me a chance, then I'll explain. And he said that 20 years ago there used to be a restaurant. He said 20 years ago, the place where I'm standing right now, here there was a restaurant. And what was the name of the restaurant? Big Joe's Brandy's restaurant. He said that the place where I'm standing right now, there was a restaurant 20 years ago, but right now it was torn down. It was torn down 5 years ago, said the policeman. Then policeman informed, yes, there was a restaurant at the same place where you are standing, but it was torn down, it was destroyed 5 years ago. The man shifted and a dim light from a neighboring store showed a pale, square-jawed face with keen eyes and a little white scar near his right eyebrow. His scarf pinned with an oddly set large diamond. So when the man shifted from the darkened store to the neighboring store, means there was a dim light. Sorry, there was dim light. So now the policeman could see him, and how the person was. He was a pale, square-jawed face. Means his face was square, and his eyes were keen, and little white scar near his right eyebrow. There was a mark near his right eyebrow. And means his scarf pin was the scarf which he was having